How to be a winning forex trader. This is what most traders look for, to be consistently profitable. However, most of us have a very wrong belief what the consistently profitable trader means. And our beliefs are reinforced with so much nonsense on social media that from the very beginning you're already starting at a disadvantage. You enter the trading world with a wrong belief and false expectations. This is one of the reasons why 90% of traders lose money. So now you might be wondering how to be a winning trader, which makes up 10% of minority. You are in for the treat. You found a secret which only 10% know and implement. Hey, what's up traders, welcome back to Forex Gym. My name is George, and in this video I'm gonna reveal 5 secrets to be a winning forex trader. Before we do that, make sure to hit that subscribe. It really helps me to produce a better content for you guys. Number 1 is define your risk. Most of the people get into trading because they need quick money, and they always ignore the warning which says only risk what you can afford to lose. If you want to be part of the 10%, you must know exactly how much is your risk. Normally, responsible traders start with a 1% risk per trade. However, if you're not feeling comfortable risking that much, there is nothing wrong with reducing your risk. There is no such thing as one size fits all. So define the risk you're willing to take and stick with it. Do not start doubling down on your risk after having a few losses, just because you want to make back all the money you have lost. And number 2 is have a trading strategy. Strategies are very overrated by new traders. I'm not saying strategies do not matter. It's very important, and it's act as a plan to follow. However, new traders, when they get into trading, all they look for is a high win rate strategies, and they think that this is the fastest way to getting rich. Sorry to break it, but it's not. You do need a strategy, but the strategy has to fit your style of trading and your personality. That's the reason when the new traders buy this strategy from someone else and they think that they discovered a secret formula, they end up losing money. And when the secret formula fails, they move to the new strategy until eventually giving up. Number 3 is manage your emotions. Defining your risk and having a strategy, that's an easy part. Your worst enemy when it comes to becoming a winning forex trader is your emotions. You probably heard from me or other experienced traders saying master the trader mindset or trading psychology. What it really means is to learn how to manage your emotions. This alone what makes trading so difficult. When fear, greed or anger comes out, you have to know how to manage them well. Otherwise you won't make it as a trader. And don't think that you're gonna master trader mindset within a month or 2. It takes years to develop. Number 4, be comfortable with losing. As I mentioned in the beginning, most of us has a very wrong idea what the consistently profitable trader means. We have the idea that those traders who are in a winning 10%, they have very few or next to no losing trades. However, the reality is somewhat different. Being profitable is not about having no losing trades. Being profitable means your winners outweigh your losers. That what makes a trader profitable. For example, if you take 10 trades and 6 of them are lost and 4 of them are won, if your risk reward is 1 to 3, you still make money, even though you had 6 losses. That's why you need to be comfortable with losing and redirect your focus on the bigger picture. Number 5, use your stop loss. I do mention this in a lot of my videos, and I cannot emphasize enough how important this stop loss is. Traders do not use stop loss because they want to avoid the feeling of losing. We are humans and we are designed to avoid discomfort and pain. When you lose a trade or you have a potential of losing a trade, your brain will tell you either move your stop loss or cancel it entirely, just because you want to avoid that pain. That's why taking a loss is not easy, and this links to secret number 2 and 3, which I mentioned earlier. Manage your emotions and be comfortable with losing. Because traders don't want to use stop loss, they use something called mental stop loss. Mental stop loss means you don't place a hard stop, but rather you have a level where you're gonna exit the trade manually. Problem with this alternative is you giving your emotions great opportunity to take over. It's easy to give into hope the price will turn around and go to your desired direction. while it's once, and instead of taking a 1% loss, you're gonna take much greater loss, which will have an effect on your account balance. Thank you guys for watching. Please give it a like if you found this video helpful. Also share this video with your friends, and don't forget to smash that subscribe. It really helps me to produce a better content for you guys. I'm making a live daily Forex analysis Monday to Friday, 8 AM UK time, as well as weekly Forex analysis and videos such as this one about the knowledge you need to be a better trader. Have a great day, and I will see you guys on Monday at live daily Forex analysis at 8 AM UK time.